Did you know that the human body has 60,000 million blood vessels? That's long enough to travel around the globe more than twice. These vessels transport waste product back to the lungs and oxygen and nutrients from your heart. But certain illness can result in poor blood circulation, which can cause symptoms like cramping in your muscles and limb discomfort. The greatest foods to improve circulation and blood flow will be covered in today's video. Do spices help? Are berries actually that beneficial? Let's talk about them. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in nitrates and antioxidants, which improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. Consuming pomegranates in raw or juice can transport oxygen to muscles, reduce muscle cramps and pain, and speed up muscles recovery. Studies show that daily supplementation can reduce muscle soreness and inflammation in weightlifters. Berries. Berries are a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. With their rich color derived from plant-based antioxidants called anthocyanins, consuming berries can decrease blood pressure, improve heart rate, reduce inflammation, improve arterial dilation and prevent clogged arteries and heart disease. Fish. Fish like salmon, tuna, sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which release nitric oxide, increase blood vessel flow, and decrease blood pressure. These fatty acids also prevent clot formation, reducing heart disease risk. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, can also provide omega-3s, reducing blood pressure and improving muscle blood flow during and after exercise. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are high in nitrates, including spinach, lettuce, radish, cabbage, and parsley. These foods' nitrates are transformed by the body into nitric oxide, which enhance blood circulation. One study found that people who ate nitrates after consuming rich spinach for a week, blood pressure significantly dropped and blood flow improved. According to a study, persons who consume a traditional Chinese diet high in cabbage had a lower risk of heart disease and lower blood pressure than those who consume a standard Western diet. Cinnamon, an other warming spice that increases blood flow. In cinnamon, which also has additional health advantages including antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities. Use this delightful spice to make delectable baked products or add it to your tea. Turmeric. Turmeric is a common culinary and medical ingredient that is used in particularly all Indian recipes. Turmeric's active ingredient curcumin help reduce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and reduce oxidative stress. A study found that individuals who took 2 grams of curcumin daily for 3 months experienced a significant increase in blood flow in their arms and upper arms. Use turmeric in your curries or just add it to warm milk to increase blood flow. Onion. Onion, one of the most popular vegetable is onion, which are rich in flavonoid, which have antioxidant properties. A study found that men who took 4 grams of onion extract daily had significant blood vessel dilation and blood circulation after eating. So eat onions raw with salads. Eating onion also widen your blood vessels and improve blood flow in your arteries. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties improve heart health by reducing inflammation in the veins and arteries. How you can improve your circulation? Do you know any other foods that improve circulation? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.